MSI has been building gaming laptops for a while now. Its laptop lineup range from budget devices to high-end gaming machines. In today's review, we are going to talk about MSI GP65 9SE gaming laptop. It is a mid-tier gaming laptop and cost $1,200 at the time of this review. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about the specs. Our unit is powered by Intel Core i7-9750H hexa-core processor running at 2.6 GHz, 16 GB DDR4 RAM, 512 GB SSD hard drive, 802.11ac Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 5, 720p webcam, 15.6-inch LED Full HD 144Hz display, also Nvidia RTX 2060 graphics with 6 GB DDR6 RAM, Backlit Keyboard, and 51 Wh battery, and weighs only 5 pounds. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. The laptop body has brushed aluminum surface, but the rest is all plastic. It is lightweight for its size. It is nice looking, nicely built laptop. First impression from a visual standpoint are more impressive when compared to other laptops in this price category. The body feels hollow and not as firm as it could have been. On the bright side, creaking is minimal and the base is fairly rigid around the corners. The laptop weighs only 5 pounds, so it can easily fit in bag or backpack and carry around school or college campus. MSI GP65 9SE Leopard Gaming Laptop is equipped with latest range of ports, including 2 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, SD card reader, and on the other side we have one USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, one mini display port, one HDMI 2 port, 1 gig Ethernet, and headphone and microphone jack. The laptop has 720p front camera. The camera's picture quality is enough for video calls via Skype or other applications. The camera does not perform face recognition. Overall, MSI GP65 9SE Leopard Gaming Laptop has a design that is simple and clean, and smooth texture hides fingerprints very well. The MSI Leopard Gaming Laptop has a thin bezels, and our unit came with 15.6-inch IPS panel. One of the highlights of the GP65 Leopard is its bright and fast 144Hz IPS display. Considering the price point, the Full HD LG panel is phenomenal. Response times are very quick, and the 144Hz refresh rate makes every animation glide across the screen. Gameplay at higher frame rates looks beautifully smooth. The panel supports 96% sRGB and 61% Adobe RGB. The display's backlight is bright, averaging 327 nits. This is higher than the average of most other mid-tier gaming laptops. The display also had good color reproduction and accurate white balance. 1080p display showed an exceptional amount of detail when I watched different trailers or 4K content. MSI GP65 9SE Leopard's display did very well in the lab test. Viewing angles are excellent, which is typical for IPS display. The matte finish essentially eliminates glare, and the backlight is strong enough to shine through sunlight and other bright lights. The MSI GP65 9SE Leopard's visuals are handled by Nvidia RTX 2060 graphics. The RTX 2060 has become a popular choice for mid-range gaming laptops this year. Watching YouTube or Netflix 4K content looks really good, and this display works very well in low light conditions. As far as the brightness is concerned, it comes in around 327 nits. Means laptop screen can be used outside. RTX 2060 offers a significant bump in performance over GTX 1060. The RTX 2060 in GP65 Leopard also outperforms the Nvidia GTX 1660 Ti by 10% in 3D mark. Additionally, the RTX 2060 supports real-time ray tracing, which is becoming more common in games. RTX 2060 scores good overall in different GPU benchmarks. The MSI GP65 9SE Leopard's keyboard is good for longer typing experience. This is a fast, quiet, and reliable keyboard. The pressure point is only slightly noticeable and provides a good amount of feedback. On the other hand, the key size and arrangements are very good, and our unit came with Backlit Keyboard. As far as the touchpad concerned, it is not a big touchpad, but it is also a precision touchpad, means it is very responsive and precise. In the performance section, our MSI GP65 9SE Leopard is equipped with Intel Core i7-9750H processor. The processor has 6 cores with base clock speed of 2.6 GHz and a maximum clock speed of 4.5 GHz. The processor is rated for 45 watts and based on 14nm technology. This processor is based on Coffee Lake architecture. Its performance is perhaps best option for a gaming laptop and strikes a good balance between price, performance, and thermals. Our unit scored 2,764 points in Cinebench multi-thread CPU performance benchmark running at 2.6 GHz, which is about 10% higher from its previous generation Core i7 processor, and it completely destroys AMD Ryzen 7 3750H. And in the CPU-Z benchmark, laptop CPU scored 3,643 points in multi-thread and 508 points in single-thread. In the storage solution, MSI GP65 9SE Leopard offers good read and write rates that are well over average in its class. Our unit scored 1235 megabits per second read and 703 megabits per second write in SSD benchmark, thanks to its M.2 PCIe NVMe 512GB SSD. The MSI GP65 9SE Leopard comes with 802.11ac wireless card, which supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band. In the audio department, the MSI GP65 Leopard speakers are not great. They get loud enough to fill a medium-sized room, but the sound they output is hollow and lifeless. In the battery life department, MSI GP65 9SE Leopard has 51 Wh battery. The 51 Wh battery can provide between 4 to 5 hours of runtime, and 144Hz display panel work to rapidly kill the battery. While this is above average for mid-tier gaming laptop, it's not enough for workday away from the outlet. When it comes to upgradability, MSI allows you to upgrade most of the components. You can access the laptop motherboard by removing the screws from the back cover. You need to be careful while removing the back cover with proper tool, but the process is very simple. You can replace or add bigger M.2 form factor hard drive, or upgrade or replace RAM with available 2 RAM slots hidden under the cover. In the CPU cooling department, we have 6 heat pipes with heatsink and dual fans. You can hear the fan noise during general usage and gets real loud during gaming or stress test. But temperature never crossed 90 degrees Celsius during our test, which means cooling is sufficient enough to keep the laptop temperature under control during gaming or CPU intensive workloads. MSI GP65 9SE Leopard Gaming Laptop is a good overall performance machine. I had high expectations from MSI laptop going into this review, and I'm pleasantly surprised by the performance of the system. The Intel processor in particular offers excellent CPU performance, and Nvidia RTX 2060 GPU performance is great as well for gaming. The 144Hz display with fast response time is the star of the show. Considering the price point, the Full HD LG panels is phenomenal. Overall, MSI GP65 9SE Leopard Gaming Laptop is a decent buy for under $1,200. I would recommend this laptop for anyone who's in the market for a decent content creation laptop and as well as gaming machine. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.